Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Merchant Center for Product Feed SEO, full guide step by step clearly. To install Google Merchant Center for Product Feed SEO, begin by accessing the Google Merchant Center website. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the account creation process. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once signed in, fill out the required business information, including your business name and website URL. Make sure to select the correct country for your business. After entering your details, agree to the terms of service and click Create Account. Next, you'll need to verify and claim your website. To do this, go to the Business Information section in your Merchant Center dashboard. Find the Website tab and click on Verify Your Website. Choose the preferred verification method. Follow the provided instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, return to the Merchant Center and confirm that you have claimed your website. Next, navigate to Products in the left-hand menu. Click on the Feeds option to create a new product feed. Select the appropriate target country for your product feed. Choose the product feed option and then click on Continue. Enter a name for your feed and select the language your products are listed in. Choose your intended feed upload schedule, whether you want it to be daily, weekly, or manually. Follow the prompts to set up your feed, including selecting a destination for your product listings. You will then be required to input the feed file format, such as XML or CSV. Upload your product feed file or provide the URL for the feed if it's hosted online. After uploading, click on Fetch if you are using a URL or Save if you uploaded a file. Once your product feed has been submitted, your products will undergo processing. This may take some time, so check back later for updates on the feed status. To ensure optimal performance, regularly monitor the diagnostics section for issues related to your product listings. Keep your product information up to date by refreshing your feed as necessary. Implement structured data markup on your site to enhance your product listings further. By following these steps, you will successfully set up Google Merchant Center for improved product feed SEO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.